Now, y'all, I done seen something on TikTok and I purchased it. So we're gonna get right into it. This is the Morphos. Should have looked up how to say their name. But apparently, this is going to change your hair color using heat. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. My name is Aleia. This is as always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now y'all, I done went and saw something on TikTok. I'ma link it on right on here. Look how this girl changes her hair color with just one product. Soon as I saw it, I immediately ran to go find it. I looked for it on Amazon, couldn't find it. I went right to their website and I actually found it, purchased 2 of them. This is called the Morphos Professionals. And this is their color change. It's a heated activated hairspray. So you can either go from pink to purple to pink or to green to blue. Apply some heat with like a blow dryer and apparently it's supposed to change colors. So we're gonna do this today. Are you guys excited? But before we can actually get into spraying our hair, we actually have to style it first. So that's gonna be the first part of this video, is me putting some loop rods in my hair. Here are my loop rods in my Shein bag. If you guys don't know, the Shein, Fashion Nova, or whatever website you shop from, keep the bags so you can store your hair products in here. If you have never heard of loop rods, you guys are in luck because I have some on deck. So these are called loop rods, guys. They come in a small and large pair. If you guys want to, you can go ahead and purchase them from my Amazon store. I'll have it linked below, and then you can come back and do the video. Another thing that you're going to need is some mousse, because this is like a rod set. So mousse is going to work perfect for me. I'm using this new mousse from Curls, so this is going to be our styling product for today. But you are also going to need a detangling brush and just a few clips so we can section off our hair. So this, I'm going to turn around because you guys can see it. Look how cute this is. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's from Bomba Curls. It is the best hair towel I have ever gotten in the mail. It's microfibric on the inside, satin on the outside. If you want black girl luxury, go to Bomba Curls, and I'll have this link below too for you guys. So I did just get out the shower. My hair is fully cleansed, but let's go ahead and jump right into this hairstyle, guys. Again, we are going to do some loop rods, and the very first thing you're going to want to do is section off your hair. Okay, so I divided my hair from ear to ear. I'm going to pop this up in the front, and then we're going to work out the back section first. Here's my back section right here, and I am going to break it down into farther sections. But if you're new to my channel, I'm going to explain something to you. I do not like recording the back section of my head. I think it is so boring and you guys cannot see nor get the best angle. So I'm going to knock out the back section really quickly, and I will come back on camera when the back section is done and we're at the top so you guys can actually see what I'm doing and follow along. So I'll be right back. Hey y'all, what's up? So I finished the back section, guys. I'll turn around so you can see. And now we're going to knock out the front. So we're going to start on this side, and I'm just going to take down a chunk. That looks perfect. That's a really good size for one of these loop rods. All right, pinning everything else up and out the way that we're not currently working on. All right, so here's our section right here. First thing I'm going to do is take some of the sea moss. It's coming out a little bit funny, y'all. The sea moss foam, I don't know if it's supposed to come out like that or if I just have something that's deformed, but it's working, so that's good. Here's how the product looks. And we're going to go ahead and put it right on our hair. And I'm going to cover everything from root to tip. Alright, so it's all in there. And I'm going to go ahead and just brush it with the detangling brush. And now we're going to add in our loop rod. I was using the green ones in the back. I normally use the pink ones in the front because I always run out of the green ones. But I actually prefer the green ones. The pink ones are just really thin, so yeah, keep that in mind. Alright guys, so this is exactly how you do it. I'm going to separate this into 2 sections because I have my baby hairs kind of right here. Alright y'all, so go ahead and take your rod, and the very first thing you're going to want to do after you detangle and make sure everything is straight, is go ahead and wrap your ends around the loop rod and then twist over your ends a few times to secure it, knowing that your end is locked into place. Okay, so now that your ends are locked into place, you can start to ravel up. Alright y'all, so it's nice and tight at the top, and all you need to do, this is why they're called loop rods, is because you loop and you secure the two red parts together. You know, there's your loop rod. It's right there. It's gonna look a little bit wonky. It's gonna look a little bit crazy. Just let it ride. Go on to the next section. I'm just gonna clip it back so I can focus on the front section that's right here. I did just brush it out. Now that I have everything, pulling it straight so everything is straight on, I'm gonna take my end, secure it on the loop rod like so. Then we're gonna ravel on top of the ends a few times, making sure those ends do not come loose. And then you can start to kind of ravel up on a diagonal, just like so. If you've ever done flexi rods or perm rods, it's really sort of the same thing. These are just loop rods. You're gonna get a way tighter spirally curl with these two. Also, the drying time isn't gonna be that bad because look how flat the hair is laying on that rod. It's gonna dry super fast. All right, so now you can see I'm all the way at the top, securing that end. All right, and then I'm securing it just like that. They do take some time to get used to, I should say, but once you have it, you should be able to just keep rolling. So let's go. Alright guys, so just a disclaimer as I'm finishing up my last section. When I'm on the right side of my head, I start wrapping on the right. When I'm on the left side of my head, I start wrapping on the left. So just think of it, when you have the end out, it's whichever side you're on, that's the end you want to start with. This is my last section right here, so let's go ahead and wrap this up. I've been doing this for about an hour now. Alright, so here is the foam one last time. I think something's wrong with it, but it's working, friend. It's working. So putting that foam all on this section, I'm just taking my time to working it in. Now I'm going to also brush it as a whole entire section. Taking a little piece in the back. So again, here's my section right here, holding it securely, starting at the end, the left end. Okay, so wrapping the end around the rod, then I'm wrapping on top of the end just to secure it so it doesn't go anywhere, and then I start to wrap up just like that. And once it's all the way wrapped up, go ahead and secure the ends together. Whew. All right, y'all, so we are finally done with like part one of this video. I have all of my loop rods installed. I am going to installed. We don't know how they're going to come out until they're dry, but I'm going to go ahead and allow these to dry. There's a lot of them in there, y'all. Hopefully you guys learned how to install loop rods. If you do like this video, if you do like the installation process, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and let my hair dry, and I'll be back when it's dry so I can go ahead and take these out, and then we can play around with some colors. Hey guys, good morning. So here are the here's the style. It's all dry. I think it's dry. I took some of them out just to see if they were dry. They seem dry. I set them to dry for about 2 hours last night just to make sure they were dry. Today is the day before June 19th. So it's a huge day in Philadelphia and all across the world. We're going to be celebrating this weekend. I actually have a few events to go to, so I'm already dressed in my makeup and I'm about to take my hair out for you guys. And then once I get back from the event, then I'll come back and we'll play with some color. But let's go ahead and take out these loop rods. This is how we're doing. Surprisingly, I slept okay, honey. You see how flat they are. Okay, so normally when I am taking out styles, I always like to start in the back and start to unravel as I go. However, it's going to be practically impossible for this style. We're just going to have to start in the front. It's going to be the easiest. So go ahead and all you want to do is unloop like that. Just snap it apart and start to roll down just a little bit. So now there's a little bit of a gap there. I'm going to do it one more time. And then I'm going to start to ravel all the way down just like that, and then I'm putting everything back in my sheen bag so there's no loop rods on my floor. And we're just gonna hurry up, actually we're gonna do this one and try to take these off. So there's a little bit of a gap there, as you guys can see, and now I can start to unravel. And here you go, there's the next one. It's gonna be such a cute pretty curl when we take these out, y'all. All right, so the best way to separate these curls, so you're gonna start in the back. You want to start in the back with just a small section to make sure you're not missing anything. And we're gonna start to unravel. The best way to do it is to kind of like make it straight and pull it apart a few times. All I'm doing, I'm just pulling it apart and it snaps right back into its curl. If you want to twist it on your finger, but I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna do that 1,000 more times. So just kind of make it straight as you can get it, and then start to pull it apart. And you can kind of unravel or loop it back over your finger to get the curl. All right, so there's no more. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull one. What's nice is you can really take one of these curls and separate it 5 or 6 times into like a beautiful curl. Like, y'all don't understand how full my hair is about to look. Also, I like putting a ponytail holder at the top just so when I'm ready, I can literally just take one down and start to go. Hey y'all, so we're at the top. You can see the curls. So super cute and springy. Loving them so far. I'm just making sure I didn't miss anything. So it's really easy if you put your hair in a ponytail at the top and just start pulling. If you put it in a clip, you're gonna have to keep taking the clip off, putting the clip on. Just use a ponytail holder or a scrunchie, whatever you call it, and then you can just pull right from it and keep going. The separation process is really easy, y'all. Like, it looks intimidating because it's a lot. Like, what is this dread thing? But once you actually get in there and just start to pull it apart, ravel it around your finger, you get a really nice, pretty spiral curl, friend. You get a really nice, pretty spiral curl. Happy we tucked our ends. Like I told you, did you tuck your ends? Woo! We back, baby. We got some curls, baby. Oh, I swear, day one, you can't tell me nothing, honey. Day one hair, oh, you can't tell me nothing. If you want, you can get a pick and pick it out to make it like more fuller. But I really like how my curls naturally get fuller throughout the week. They naturally start to lose the definition and gain volume, which is totally fine with me. Are you guys ready to mess up these cute curls with some colors later? Ah! So excited. So I will be back. This is it right here, honey. This is it. It's all we got right now. So I'll be back after I'm done my photo shoot later today, and then we're gonna play with some colors. So here's the hair. See it one last time, and I will be back this evening so you guys can see the color. All right, guys. Deuces. My bad, y'all. Alright, so it's been about a week since I've been on here. My hair is completely done. I've swam, I've worked out, I done had a photo shoot, all types of stuff that has happened this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a special video dedicated to the hair color. I don't even know where that is right now. Like, I gotta clean my room. Where the hair color at, y'all? I don't see it, but we'll find it. So I'm gonna do a completely separate video. The next video, you're gonna see it on the screen. You can just click on it. Instead of you watching me just use the color of my hair, I'm actually gonna take you through an entire week. And I'm gonna come back on here and I'm gonna explain to you guys the updates, answer all your questions, because I know you're dying to know if it flakes, if it transfers, if it stains, all that jazz. How does it wash out? I'm gonna be answering and demonstrating all of those acts and things in the next video. So yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I couldn't come back on here. Plus, the video would have been way too long, and I rather dedicate a full video to that hair color one instead of like trying to mash 2 videos into one. I don't know what your girl was thinking. My bad, friend. But click on the next video if you want to see the hair color change in my video, and we're gonna pick up right where we left off. Brand new fresh hairstyle, and we're gonna be ready to go spraying the hair color in my hair right when we get into the video. And thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching how to install loop rods. It's honestly been a blast. It's time, but it's been a blast. I love loop rods. They last all week long, but it is now time to get in the shower. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I will catch you in the next video where you will see me spraying some color in my hair. My name is Aleia. This is, as always, Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.